Hello mga abe, welcome to my channel. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Kuya JTL. And today is our last day here in Aruba. So while I'm walking, going back to the hotel para kunin yung gamit and sundin si Miss JTL, after went to not lavender farm, to a butterfly farm. I'm walking around their path, biking and walking path. As you can see, around 9:30 in the morning. Ayan, mataas ang araw, ito yung dagat. This is the main road. So here in Aruba, okay, this is one of the most expensive Caribbean destination here in Caribbean area. So if you want to do all-inclusive, so for two people, it's a minimum of 6,000 Canadian dollars. Okay, so it's kind of expensive for a getaway, a short getaway. So normally as our practice, we do March every quarter. We do out to break in the winter, no? So mahabang winter sa Toronto. So we decided to go here in Aruba in a tight budget. So we took a flight around at least $1,000 per person flight. Hindi ko na sasabihin ko anong airlines, check nyo na lang, baka may iba't ibang klaseng airlines. And I think we did $200 per night. No, it's not $200, I think $100 per night an apartment. Doon sa apartment na yon, kasi sa all-inclusive ayaw namin kasi nga mahal. And first of all, and second of all, kung hindi mo gusto yung pagkain, tight ka na sa nakatali ka na sa pagkain doon. Hindi, kung gustuhin mo lang kumain sa labas, medyo pricey na, doble-doble gastos. So what we did, we went here at Eagle Beach, no, low rise to, at medyo mura dito, and nakatab for foods, and it's a grocery shop para sa mga locals and most sa mga popular siya sa mga turista kagaya namin. So namamalengke lang kami doon, and then may lutuan, no, may lutuan doon sa apartment namin. So one thing that I'll suggest to you, nakalimutan kong gawin, magdala ng salt and pepper, pampalasa. So dinala ko lang mantika, because kaya mantika kasi paano ko lang nabibila ng maliliit, no, na bote. So at least kung meron kang half a liter o ganyang kalaking bote for mantika, pwede mo na akong gamitin yun for the whole 5 days. At saka salt and pepper. So napabili ako ng salt and pepper. And then nag-book lang kami ng first day. Nung pagdating namin dito, half day, nag-beach na agad kami. Pinuntahan na namin yung area. And then second day, the whole day beach. And then nag-book lang kami ng isa activity, which is yung ABC Tours, na magtutour ka sa island. Gamit mo ay parang Land Cruiser Sahara experience. So I have a whole content regarding that. So stay tuned nyo na lang yon. Tingnan nyo yon, medyo maganda yon, at baka mamaya may matutunan kayo. But most probably some people, they do rent a car. So medyo pricey din pag nag-rent a car. So malapit naman siya sa lahat, mura lang yung bus dito. Okay, so Sunday we did that kasi normally sa Aruba Sunday yung mga Sunday close yung mga establishment, or kalahating araw lang siya, half day lang. Then Monday we go to Aranguistan, yung downtown nila. So nag-bus lang din kami, papakita namin yun sa inyo, one content din yun. At we did that. Tapos pagkatapos nun, naglibot-libot pa rin kami Sunday night. And then nagtambay kami sa isang bar sa beach, no? So yun lang, yung unang kain namin yun sa labas. But we did some appetizer only, no? And then Tuesday, yung last day namin, we go to butterfly farm. Sinadjust lang sa amin yun, wala sa plano yun, but it's a good experience also. Kapag pumunta kayo ng first day nyo, pwede kayo doon, I think 5 times yata. Kung sabihin nyo lang kung hanggang kailan kayo mag-stay, araw-araw pwede kayong pumasok. So one time fee lang yung $20. But sa dami nung pwede nyo picturean doon at nakaka-relax doon pag umaga, pwede kayong bumalik araw-araw. At nilalakad ko lang yun sa hotel, mga 30 minutes, 20 minutes walk, no, marami naman naglalakad. And then the afternoon we serve good restaurant called Gianni's. Papakita ko rin yung isang content din yun, and luckily we met some Filipino waiter there, at nabalitaan ko nga malaki pala populasyon ng mga Pilipino dito. It's around 5,000, and tinanong niya kung shoutout pala kay Kuya Manny, and tinanong niya kung sumubo kami ng Filipino restaurant. I told him wala nang time. Tsaka syempre, no disrespect sa mga fellow Filipino. Eh syempre pagka magbabakasyon ka sa ibang lugar, you want to try different atmosphere, different experience. Pero siguro kung meron pang another 2 days, pag naghanap na yung katawan ko ng Filipino food, maano namin sana yung Kambal, sinasabi nyo sa may downtown. The name of the restaurant sa Kambal. Alright. Hi guys, good morning. So that's all. That's the 6 days experience here in Aruba. I hope you stay tuned to a lot of content. There's a lot of content that's coming up right now. Shout out to everybody, and see you soon guys. Alright, best regards, Kuya JDL.